What's up mga idol? So, welcome back. So, today's video, samahan nyo panoorin dito sa Hoop Trends PH, yung second game ni Jan Amores. So, gusto ko mapanood to kasi tingnan natin yung mga nilalaro niya ngayon sa ABL. So, tingnan natin kung mas nadadagdagan pa yung knowledge niya, mas nagiging kampante ba siya, na iiwas niya yung init ng ulo. So, tingnan natin dito. Tapos, saka mas malalaki sa kanya yung mga player dito. Tapos ano pa, international din. Kaya maganda rin masubaybayan to. So, samahan nyo ako, panoorin natin dito sa Hoop Trends PH. Supportahan nyo yan, palakihin nyo yung channel niyan kasi magaling din naman siya mag-video. So, tara! Game!
Because of that quick transition pace.
So, nakalagay sa subtitle, sa title niya is Jan Amores Grabe Depensa. So, maganda yung pinakitang depensa niya dito. So, ito yung statistic niya. 5 points, 2 rebounds. So, tignan na lang natin kung ano yung mga pinakita niya dito. So, kaya ako pinapanood to para sa akin lang Kasi gusto ko makita yung isang player pag nakalaban nila is international na. Kumbaga, ibang lahi na. Kasi meron kasing player na magaling sa kapwa natin Pilipino. Pero pagka iba na yung kalaban, nawawala yung laro. Kumbaga, hindi natin alam kung, di ko sure kung nahihiya or naiilang, parang ganun, or kaya kabahan, pero hindi naman siguro kinakabahan. Ganun din sa, kasi ganun din sa nung kabataan ko na iba yung may referee sa wala. So, alam niya na mga naglalaro nung mga dati pa, tapos naglalaro ng liga. So, yun lang, kaya gusto ko siyang panoorin dahil ngayon, gusto ko malaman kung ano ba yung may papakita niyang laro dito. So, tuloy natin.
There they go. Philippines on the run, Chuck.
What they do. Style of
Oy!
basketball.
Nipis ng tawag.
Work to perfection there.
Nice!
Wonga on the
What a
there. Wonga on the
Tinawagan.
Amores with the bucket and a foul.
What a pass from Rudy.
Grabe no, komportable siya dito, no?
Lead pass to Amores, who's out, and his energy has really been a difference maker here in this first quarter.
So, ganado siya dito. Tingin ko, binabawi niya talaga yung nagawa niya. Nililinis niya yung pangalan niya sa gantong paraan. So, tama yun. So, goods yun.
He was a guy that was more a methodical player, so if anything, it's going to mean that Wonga is going to be faster in the open court.
That's a scary thing, them getting faster, eh?
Mid, running the point now.
Malaki na yung bantay niya.
John Amores.
Galing ng depensa. Grabe, oh.
30 pounds, he is battling.
3 seconds, walang tawag.
Long three is going to be off the mark. Gilliard is taking a break.
Ayun, inabot. Tinamaan.
Out front. Holder looking for
Travel.
space. Touch foul. Travel. Smith wants to travel.
This is how much
Nagagalit yung mukha nung import eh. Ang lagkit, ang dikit bumantay eh.
Trying to stay out of foul trouble and trying to keep.
Kaya, ang galing ng depensa niya doon. Galing, magaling. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Yun, pagka international yung kalaban. Kumbaga, yung iba kasi, mas na-challenge eh. Mas nakikipag-pisikalan, mas gumagamit ng utak. Kumpara sa iba na parang, syempre, para sa akin kasi parang nailang siguro dahil mas malaki or mas malakas yung katawan. Parang ganun. Pero si Amores, ang ganda yung pinapakita niya.
The defenders have to follow them. Hester gets a one-on-one attack and all of a sudden he gets a layup. But now we have John Amores back in. Both for pressing Evan Gilliard.
They're going to have to do that.
Grabe yung trabaho ni Amores dito Galing
They can take 22, 23 seconds per possession if they want to. Gilliard.
Wala, di makaporma.
Offensive board. Thomas. Nice block.
Ba talaga yung banggaan sa ano?
They played the
Mga import na, malalaki na.
Running at the
Sablay.
way off the mark. Good job by Gilliard and the defensive end.
Winan Keats had a fantastic game.
Ay!
13 points now.
Nawagan na.
9 rebounds.
Masyado na matikit eh. So, ayun yung second game niya. Although, konti lang yung highlights na pinakita. So, pero nakita naman natin yung, ano, di ba? Ginawa niyang depensa. So, maiksi lang yun. Tingnan, meron pa akong nakita dito eh. So, ito.
Referee.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Here with the feist.
So, ito, sabi dito sa title nito is import ng kalaban, muntik ng mapikon. Oh, ayos ah. Yung import ng muntik na mapikon ah. Kay Jan Amores ah, kalmado lang. So, maganda yun. Yung magandang pakita yun. Yung kalmado lang siya. Kasi, matututunan niya naman yun. Siyempre, nagmamatured siya eh. So, tignan natin dito.
Morris.
Morris, another one of these guys that
Ang laki ng bantay niya.
Delvin fouled as he goes up.
I really liked this anytime the coaching staff
Medyo bumaba yung kamay niya.
throwing the ball into the post and Delvin got
Talagang inaano niya yung katawan niya eh. Oh. Kaya lang, parang medyo malinis.
Right
No?
back outside. 8 on the shot clock. Alexander will roll through the rim. Back up jumper. for
Nice
him.
D, nice D!
Blocked as it went up. Demores.
Oh! Galing! Galing yung ginawa niya doon.
Down the lane.
Ay, laro rin pala si Amores, no?
Nice job. A rumor, it's true. Demores still.
Tumitira. Bang!
Demores still around the screen. A long three. Drains it.
Yeah, the JRU put him away.
No room.
Yan ang depensa. Grabe ang depensa yan.
Can't do it, gets it taken away. Still 20 seconds to go. The
Tira mo.
lead pass.
Pasok mo.
Ken lines it up for three.
Bang!
Wow, and what a push from the Zip.
Ball out of the cylinder. Boggle with the rebound. What do we have here? Bodies go flying. I think possession arrows the way of Zamboanga.
Bait ni Amores, oh. Ayos, ayos, ayos. Tama yan.
This.
Tinayo lahat ni Amores.
John Morris with the body check.
God. Oh my God. Wide
Tinayo
open.
lahat ni
Got to
Amores, eh.
take these shots. Got to knock them down.
Yeah, Slinger's now 3 of 16, 18% from the three-point line.
Galing ah. Nai-recon yung import niya.
Referee.
Kaya wala yung pag-body-body talaga eh.
The push down there. The referee standing right there.
Yeah.
No call.
Ang galing eh.
My goodness.
Talaga na yung pag-body siya eh, oh. Galing eh.
He's got him in a. He's got him.
Ah,
in a
medyo
parallel.
patutumba siya eh.
John Morris
Napahawak
is a
lang
very
siya.
feisty basketball.
So, magandang senyales yun na natututunan na yung pagiging kalmado. So, pwede niyang gawin yung parang The Beast, si Abueva, para maanis niya yung mga ano. Mayroon kasing ganung player eh. Mas lumalabas yung laro niya pagka international yung kalaban, ibang lahi. So, yun. So, sa mga panood nito or dito kay Hoop Trends, so, syempre, subaybayan niyo, supportahan natin si Jan Amores kasi Pilipino pa rin yan kahit papano. Hintayin na, panoorin natin yung paano niya ma-improve yung pagiging yung tanggalin yung pagiging mainit ang ulo. So, yun lang. So, hanggang dito na lang itong video na to. Hanggang susunod ulit. Peace!